Okay, our next sponsor is no other than Karuba Angie Ragual. Okay, at sabi niya, I want to dedicate this song to all my family dyan sa Pilipinas. I miss them so much, kunana. And to all my friends here in Hong Kong, namely Hilda Brendes, Rhea May Villa, Marvy Yadao, Emily Yadao, Jocelyn Ragual, Sherlyn Garcia, Dayan Balawitan, Bonnevie Balawitan, Gemma Untalan, Rhea Miguel, Jeanette Talim, Lailani Quinto, Edward Kujamat, Mervin Brendes, and lalong-lalo na raw sa kanyang mami Narcisa Ragual na nasa Canada ngayon. At sa lahat ng FDD family, a million thanks and may God bless us all. Sabi ng ating anak na si Angie Ragual, and her song, One Friend by Dancel. Eto na.
Thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you.
Sometimes the world was all aside. Sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand. Sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made a dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you.
Understands me, it knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt. Where I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you.
Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt. Where I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Together, it made a dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you.
Someone who understands me, it knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt. Where I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to.
If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Okay, that's it. One Friend by Dan Steele. It goes out to our Karuba Angie Ragual. Thank you very much for sponsoring sa ating recently concluded school supplies para sa mga bata po ng Isla Verde. General Aguinaldo Ramon Isabela. Once again, thank you very much.